It's your girl Jay, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. Also, if you are returning back to this channel, thanks so much for sticking with this video, girl. I do not take it for granted. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about another YouTube feature. Yeah, I got that right. Another YouTube feature. So I have a playlist of other features of YouTube that I have done tutorials for. I'm going to link it up somewhere up here so that you guys can catch up on it. So today's video is about linking up, adding iCards to your videos. Now, what does iCard do for you? That's what it's called when I say I'll link it up here in the iCards. Whatever link you see up here, it's always in the iCards. So I'm going to be teaching you and showing you guys how you can add iCards to your YouTube videos. Now, what are the purposes of iCards? What do they do? Now, just like what I said earlier, I'm trying to refer to another video. So instead of my subscriber going all the way to my channel to look for that particular video, they can just click the link here once again, and then they can just it's just take them directly to the video, and then they can watch. So it allows for easy transition between your videos for your subscribers, and then it helps you suggest other contents that are similar to that particular content to your viewers. So take for instance, in this video, if you watch from now to the end, you are going to be seeing other contents that are related to this content that are going to be suggested on my iCards for you to watch. So please watch them, okay? Resist the urge to flip. Resist the urge to pass by my video, okay? Watch them. Anyways, guys, let's just jump right into the tutorial. Hi guys, what's up? How are you doing? Welcome back. So right here we are on YouTube Studio app as usual, okay, because this is where all the fun stuff happens about YouTube features and all. So for today's video, to add iCards to our videos, we're going to be using this video, okay? So I'm going to click on the video, edit it as usual, click on that pen like stuff, edit it as usual. So you're going to be brought to a screen like this. So you want to scroll up, where you see iCards. Now, like I said in the first part of this series, these are features that I thought were only for people that were monetized, and fun fact is everybody can actually use it to their advantage. So if you have not seen the rest of this series, I'm going to link okay, I'm already using the iCards on you guys, so I'm going to link it above here so that you can definitely check it out. Okay, so let's just get started. Okay, so this is iCards. You're going to scroll directly down, and once you click on it, it brings you to a whole different tab. Now note, you cannot do this on your mobile phones. Okay, so excuse me, usually YouTube believes that you should put iCards in every 2 minutes of your videos so that you don't bug your viewers too much with info and content and all of that, okay? But in a case where peradventure, when I said I was going to link it up below, in cases like that, you just look for where you said that part. So when I'm editing this video proper, I'm going to look for that part and put whatever link I said I was going to link. I'm going to link it up. Now that is work. I mean, that is a lot of work to an extent, because truth be told, sometimes I don't even remember that I said I was going to link anything above and all. But now I make conscious efforts to actually go through my videos and actually link them up there, okay? So you have 00, you have 20, 2.0, that's 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes. Now this video is 12 minutes and 8 seconds long, okay? So just so I don't bore my viewers and stuff. This is okay, this is the first part of this series, so I'm definitely sure I wasn't linking anything. I'm not sure, but if I was thinking anything, it'd probably be the YouTube app or something related to YouTube. So I'm going to go over the video later and see if I said anything like linking, and then I'm actually going to link it. But for the purpose of this video, just to show you how to add iCards, I'm going to just click on this 2.0. now okay, let's just see. Can you even add iCards at 0.0? Okay, you can even add iCards at the beginning of your video. I didn't even know that. So you can add iCards at the beginning of your video, but then I would not advise you add iCards at the beginning of your video, because it's not going to make the viewer or the subscriber watch that particular video, in my own opinion. I mean, it might make a different, or you might see it in another perspective. Okay, so let's just go at 2 minutes, and once I click that 2 minutes, I go to add cards here, and I click create. Now, according to what is here, this will be disabled soon, this poll. I don't know what it is about, but we are focusing here. Okay, we're focusing here. So you are either linking a video or a playlist, or you're promoting another channel. Okay, this is just by the side. You're promoting another channel, which means that you're probably, how will I put it, you're probably giving a shout out to somebody. Okay, like, oh, hi guys, this person does this, she creates content on this and that. You want to definitely check out her challenge. I'll put the link to her channel above here, so you can click on it and check out her content. This is what that does, but that's not the focus of today's video. So videos or playlists here, so you click on create, and I have all the videos that I have uploaded on YouTube since I started my channel. Okay, I have all the videos, and I have a playlist. That's the playlist I said I created for YouTube beginners. So yeah, check it out. But here we're going to be doing videos. Okay, so, and like I said, I just like to make sure that whatever iCard or whatever stuff that I'm linking to a particular video is related to that video. I don't know, it just makes sense to me. Okay, so the first thing I will do here is to link this video, these 10 things you should know before starting a YouTube channel in 2020. So I would click on that, and I will add create card. So once I do that, it will process it, and it has added it at 2 minutes. Okay, so I'll go to 4 minutes again. Now, you don't necessarily have to follow the YouTube timer. I mean, you can just click on anywhere that you want your timer to be. This is 3:06, so if I decide to put a card up at 3:06, then it's totally fine. Okay, but let's just follow the whole YouTube thing. So I'm doing it at, okay, it's not exactly clicking on 4 minutes, but it's at 3:59. So as usual, I'll go to add cards, go to create, and okay, for the purpose of this video, let me just do the playlist thing. So I'll click on playlist here, I'll click on it, and I'll do create cards. So that is that. So let me quickly go to my video on my channel proper and show you guys what it will be looking like. Okay, yeah, so we are on my personal account right now. So I'm just going to take you back to this is 127 1. We're going to 2 minutes 58. Okay, so we're going to be watching stuff like right here. Can you see this? So at this point, YouTube be suggesting that video that we added on iCards right here from Jaylaoye. so it's suggesting it to that viewer. So peradventure that viewer sees it as something worthy to watch or would be of advantage to the person can come back to that same time, or then click off from this video and watch and then come back and finish watching here. So that's basically how to add cards to the top of your videos, okay, to increase your watch time, subscribers, and retention. Okay guys, I hope that video was helpful, that tutorial was helpful to you, and I'm sure that by now you can put iCards into your videos. And once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. It's gonna help me a lot. Yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe once again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.